Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about computer languages. We will learn more details about introduction about languages, machine language, assembly language and high level language. Before getting to the topic, we should know about language. Language is the medium of communication. We all know that. When you want to communicate with a person, we should know the language. A language that computer can understand, that we call it as a computer language. If you want to communicate with a system, you should know the computer languages. When two persons are talking to each other, they should use a common language for the communication. For example, if a person knows only French, the other person knows only Hindi, in that situation, they cannot communicate in a proper way. In that situation, they need a translator. In computer language also, computer can understand only machine level language. So if you are using any other than machine level language, it need a translator. Computer is a machine. It cannot understand the human languages. It can understand only on and off. On means code 1 will be generated, off means code 0 will be generated. The combination of zeros and ones is called binary code. Numbers, alphabets, symbols we are using in the computers. The equivalent ASCII code is already predefined in the system. So it can understand only zeros and ones, that is binary code. Types of computer languages. There are three types of computer languages are there. First one is machine language, second one is assembly language and third one is high level language. Before getting to the topics, we should know about what is low level programming languages. A low level language is a type of programming language that contains basic instruction recognized by a computer. It can be easily understandable by the system, but it is very difficult for the human. There are two common type low-level programming languages are there. When you are using a machine language, that is first generation computers. It was generated in the year of 1946 to 1959. The technology were used as vacuum tube. The system size is very large. In this language, the data and instruction are represented in the form of strings, zeros and ones. Every instruction is represented in the form of binary bit pattern. That is called binary code. There are the only language which is understood by the computer, which is machine language. This is the examples of the machine language. Second one is assembly language. This is the second generation of computers. It was developed in the year of 1959 to 1965. The technology were used as transistors. When compared to the first generation computers, it is smaller. Assembly language is somewhat easier than the machine language. In this language, we are using some of the crypt English, that is some of the short form of the English words. For example, if you want to take an action about move or add or subtract, for that you need to use some codes like for move you need to use MOV, for addition you need to use ADD and the subtraction SUBB. These all codes we call it as a mnemonic code. Example programs are COPL and Photon. These two are the programming language which is developed in the assembly language. When you are using an assembly language, system cannot understand the assembly language. So, as I already said, we are using a translator. Assembler is the translator, is used to convert the assembly language to machine language. This is an example of assembly language. Next, we will learn about high-level languages. High-level languages are more powerful than assembly language. And in this also we are using the English words. In high-level, programming language is divided in 3 generations. Third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. High-level language, that is third generation high-level languages. It is developed in the period of 1965 to 1971. The technology were used integrated circuits. It is smaller than the second generation computers. This development is made computer smaller in size, reliable and efficient. These are the some of the examples it is given: C, C++, Java. These are the third generation languages. In this high level language also we are using 2 translators. That is, one is compiler, the other one is interpreter. This is an example for the high level language. This program is written in C language. Some of the examples of the high level language. These are the some of the examples of the high level language. Fourth generation of computers. It is developed in the year of 1971 to till present. We were using the technology, it is microprocessor. The main processing device is integrated circuits with VLSI, that is very large scale integration. It is highly user friendly and it is independent of any operating system. Very high speed of execution, that is, it is machine independent. You can easily run the coding in any of the systems. This is the last one, fifth generation of computers. In this, it is under process. The technology is artificial intelligence, nanotechnology. That is artificial intelligence means we are making the system to think. This is the upcoming process. Now itself the process is going on. Thank you.